place with no lights on. Where's Mike's home and them dice rollin', no pipes chrome and no pipes blow like a Futon, yo life fold. Feel like running up that check, I got my Nikes on. Usain Bolt to the cash, I got my sights on. Everything I want, everyone claim to be friends with me. At least they just pretend to be, scheming ass tendencies. Yeah, my nigga real, recognize real, and you ain't gon' ride for me, so don't tell me that you will, nigga. And I know that for a fact, cause when we got into it, I probably wouldn't solve it with the strap. Not to mention to these bitches, you was talking about how my back. We was Summer Jam audience, you still wouldn't clap, pussy. Can't get cash with me. You put bitches over money, but you mad at me. Can't hold a conversation with you or pass the weed. 0.5 on the scale, use a half a G. Nigga, whatever I do is the death. I'm so official, I should rock the same pants, shirt, and shoes the rep. Your mood is depressed, cause you choosing the rest. I won't do that until the day my body losing its breath. I'm self-dependent, don't need no niggas or bitches. Only thing she can get from me is hard dick and the McChicken. It's a blessing to be in my presence, bitch, don't forget it. Thinking I'ma cut you off, why you so nervous? I can feel it, ho. Nigga, I done been in them traps, and I got white boys with that wax, and I done seen 8 balls of crack, but I'm about them ounces of thrax. When I was 12 years old, I was strapped, but I don't got no bodies relaxed, and I don't mean you won't get clapped. I got Ohio on my shoulders and Cincy on my back. If I gotta run to Vegas or climb Mount Everest and back on everything I love, I never worry lack, cause I got niggas in themselves going through hell, and that's a fact. Got the cushion and swisher, I'ma blow it like TNT, eyes red as a demon's bee. Don't watch me watch BET. Before I fuck, I want the head first, that's a DDT. And I'm gon' tell the squad, besides that, it's between you and me. I'm feeling myself, no ecstasy. Great minds thinking like especially when I communicate with real niggas without using words, that's telepathy. Our legacy is life, and that's a bitch named Destiny. Yeah, one day we all gotta die, but today ain't my day, and I ain't finna ask why. Sometimes I think about what's going on, no one to cry. Got a lot of homies looking down on me from the sky. I could've took the route to them bricks and tried to renovate up and down the interstate, but fuck niggas, one pen in case I'm on the road to riches. Going 150, I can't hit the brake. You fuck niggas ain't about what y'all talk, I see it in your face.